For me when you say affordable and for the fam na Chinese food, a staple na talaga, at least sa fam namin, itong Hapchan. And ito one of the first Chinese chain restos na nag-open sa San Pablo, Laguna. Kaya naman as a taga-Liliw, Laguna, bata pa lang ako, kumakain na kami dito. And na-enjoy ulit namin si Hapchan dito sa 1Ecom sa malapit sa MOA. Perfect talaga sila for the family, no? Dahil sa serving nila. Of course, we got our usuals and mga hindi ko pa na-order. And we have been missing out pala sa sweet and sour fish nila. Dahil sa atong order sa amin, ito yung pinaka na-enjoy namin. Soaked in sauce, yet it remains crunchy. Vietnam fish daw yung gamit, pero when I googled, it's tilapia. So kaya naman pala na-enjoy ko. And yung sauce, perfect sweet and sour balance. Eto staple to, lumpiang Shanghai. Loaded, stuffed, as in you can bite a whole chunk of meat, serve hot, so crispy. You also can't go wrong with their mixed meat canton. Lalo na with calamansi, perfect blend of umami and savory. And parati nag-aagawan sa atay. Another staple order, of course, the whole Hapchan fried chicken. And juicy, ang sarap niya with the sauce that adds more Chinese flavors. I just wish na may konting crisp pa yung balat, bawi naman sa linamnam. And of course, everything is best paired with their yang chow. I mean, kumain ka pa sa Hapchan kung magpe-plain rice ka lang, diba? Mag-yang chow ka na. Usually crispy and tender naman yung lechon kwali nila, but this time medyo overcooked lang ata. Don't skip on their desserts, might seem simple, yung coffee jelly and yung mango pudding. But na-enjoy namin sila parehas and di siya ganun katamis. Pag Chinese food talaga, tas gusto natin ng big serving, in fairness talaga kay Hapchan, parating maasahan. Enjoy!